how do we perform vector multiplication? Specifically, how do we multiply a scalar with a vector? So here A is a vector and C is a scalar. So what's the result? So let's discuss several cases. First, if C is a positive vector, then C multiply A does not change A's direction. So resulting vector has the same direction as A. So if I draw a picture, that's A, then C multiply A is parallel to A vector. And also in this case, you notice that the vector becomes longer. So that means that C is actually greater than 1. And if C is less than 1, now let's see what is the result. So that's vector A, and C times A is pointing in the same direction, but its length, the arrow's length, becomes shorter. So that's when C is less than 1. Now how about a negative scalar? So that's still A. But now C times A points along the reversed direction. So that's the case when C's magnitude is greater than 1. So the arrow becomes longer. And if C's magnitude is less than 1, then the resulting vector C times A points in the opposite direction, but also its length is shorter. Okay, so now let's talk about using components to do the vector multiplication. So again, we have a scalar C times a vector A, which has component AX along I hat direction plus AY J hat direction. Let's talk about 2D vector. So now we distribute C to each term. Get CAX I hat plus CAY J hat.